NMR, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड केमिकल शिफ्ट। NMR इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन में निम्न पार्ट होते हैं। फर्स्ट, सैंपल होल्डर। सेकंड, परमानेंट मैग्नेट। थर्ड, मैग्नेटिक कॉइल्स। फोर्थ, स्वीप जनरेटर। फिफ्थ, रेडियो फ्रिक्वेंसी ट्रांसमीटर। सिक्स, रेडियो फ्रिक्वेंसी रिसीवर। सेवन, रीड आउट सिस्टम्स। Sample holder, glass tube with 8.5 centimeter long और 0.3 centimeter in diameter का होता है। Permanent magnet is provided homogeneous magnetic field at 6200 megahertz. Magnetic coils, these coils induce magnetic field when current flows through them. Sweep generator, to produce the equal amount of magnetic field passed through the sample. रेडियो फ्रिक्वेंसी ट्रांसमीटर करता है। ए रेडियो ट्रांसमीटर कॉइल देन प्रोड्यूस्ड ए शॉर्ट पावरफुल पल्स ऑफ रेडियो वेव्स। रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी, ए रेडियो रिसीवर कॉइल एंड दैट डिटेक्ट्स receiver radio frequencies emitted at nuclei relaxed to a lower energy level. Readout system, a computer that analyzes and record the data. Solvents used in NMR. The following solvents are normally used in which hydrogen replaced by deuterium. CCl4 अर्थात कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड, CS2 कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड, CdCl3 ड्यूटेरी क्लोरोफॉर्म, C6D6 हेक्सा ड्यूटेरियोबेंजीन, D2O deuterium oxide. Chemical shift. A chemical shift is defined as the difference in parts per million ppm between the resonance frequency of the observed proton and tetramethylsilane TMS hydrogens. TMS is the most common reference compound in NMR. It is set as 0 ppm. Shielding of protons. High electron density around a nucleus shields the nucleus from the external magnetic field, and the signals are upfield in the NMR spectrum. Deshielding of protons. Lower electron density around a nucleus deshields the nucleus from the external magnetic field, and the signals are downfield in the NMR spectrum. This is the diagram of deshield or shield, upshield or downshield. Factors affecting chemical shift. Electronegative groups, ये फैक्टर को अफेक्ट करता है केमिकल। मैग्नेटिक एनिसोट्रॉपी ऑफ पाई सिस्टम्स, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव ग्रुप्स, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव ग्रुप्स अटैच टू द CH system decrease the electron density around the protons, and there is the less shielding and chemical shift increase. प्रोटॉन NMR केमिकल शिफ्ट इस टेबल में बताया गया है। NMR nuclear magnetic resonance is a spectroscopy technique which is based on the absorption of electromagnetic radiation in the radio frequency region 4 to 9 megahertz by nuclei of the atoms. Proton nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy is one of the most powerful tools for elucidating the number of hydrogen or proton in the compound. It is used to study a wide variety of nuclei. This is the hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, fluorine, carbon, phosphorus. Theory of NMR. Spin quantum number is related to the atomic and mass number of the nucleus. Elements which either odd mass or odd atomic number have the property of nuclear spin. Principle of NMR. The theory behind NMR comes from the spin of a nucleus, and it generated a magnetic field without an external applied magnetic field. The nuclear spins are random in direction, but when an external magnetic field is present, the nuclei themselves either with or against the field of external magnet. If an external magnetic field is applied, an energy transfer is possible between ground state to excited state. When the spin return when the spin returns to its ground state level, the absorbed radio frequency energy is emitted at the same frequency level. The emitted radio frequency signal that give the NMR spectrum of the concerned nucleus. The emitted radio frequency is directly proportional to the strength of the applied field. This is the formula. This is the NMR spectrum. The NMR spectrum is a plot of intensity of NMR signals versus magnetic field is reference to TMS. Thank you.